Mike Lindell's on TV. I get a kick out of people looking up to him because he made money selling pillows. I don't know, he seems very dumb. He was like a drug abuser who should have died in Mexico. He's lucky he's still alive, and he prances around like he's important. Okay. I don't know. I liked him at first when he had that commercial when he was inside the the bathroom medicine cabinet, and that was funny. That was a great commercial. And then the more success he had, the bigger he got full of himself. And how about that disaster of a book that he tried to peddle on the American people? Okay, what did it sell? 3 copies? And they stopped selling it and they started giving it away. I mean, I hate to say it, but I think he's a loser. That's kind of harsh for me to say, but I could be considered a loser myself. All right, anyways, I don't know if you see that stuff right there. I still haven't even gotten that situated. There's stuff there, and over there, and down there. And on this table that has the computer on it. But anyways, I have so much stuff this week. There's so much stuff. I think it's going to take at least three videos. Mike Lindell. This makes me laugh. Oh, by the way, I expanded my search. That's why I have so much stuff. I've gone to New York. I've hit at least 11 or 12 different Walmarts up in New York. Target, you could screw us over. You could treat us like crap. I won't go to your store anymore. Screw you, Target. Treating people like criminals because they want to get baseball cards. What a joke. All right, this one is from Anawana Lake. Okay. I love it when they do this stuff. So, the reason I did this is I wanted to show you that they charge you a nickel. They don't give you bags. In New York, you have to pay a nickel for bags. All right, I don't know if this is Eevee or Pikachu. Who is this? All right, I got it. They had 3 or 4 of these. I don't know if I got 1 or 2. I don't remember, but Eevee tins. I've never seen them before, and they had them out the wazoo up there. All right, but yeah, so they charged me a nickel. The first time I was there, I was like, "What? What are you talking about?" I'm like, "You're charging people for bags," and the girl was like, "Here," and she opens up her purse and puts a nickel on the counter and says, "Oh, thank you," and she puts it in the cashier's room. I'm like, "Really? They're making you guys pay a nickel for a bag? Like, really?" So I just take my bags that I have from other times I've gone to other stores in Pennsylvania. And I feel like taking them up there and just handing them to people whenever they try to charge people. So one Jewish guy came in and said, he took a bag and they 3 Walmart employees ran over. "Oh, you have to pay for that." And he's like, "I have to pay for a bag? You're a $1 billion corporation and you're charging me a nickel? I refuse to pay it." And he had his stuff in it. What were they going to do? Make him take his stuff out of it? And he's like, "You're so concerned about a nickel, you pay for it." I was dying laughing. I don't know. I think they're Hasidic Jews, the ones that have those things that twirl down on this. It was so funny. I was like, yeah. They freaking Walmart charging you back. It's because New York, with all these high taxes, they 8% sales tax on all this stuff. It's ridiculous. All right. Anyways, all right. So you saw the tin. That was $24.98. And I got the Major League Baseball cards. I couldn't believe it. This is a blaster. I thought hangers are $11.98. Okay, this was only $19.98. I'm pretty sure these are, unless I'm confusing them with Bowman. I don't know. One of them like $25.98, but this one here was only $19.98, and then $5.98 for these. You believe that though? I mean, unreal. All right. All right. Now, next we have It was funny. I actually saw these online. I think it was the next day. I got these, I think, for 1998. I don't see the. Oh, this is Stadium Club. Right, I got a Stadium Club and a baseball. And I saw this for like $125 because it's brand new, Absolute Baseball. I'm telling you, I feel like becoming a, what are they called? A flipper. Cheetos. Cheetos said $1.99. We got them, it was $1.78, so I saved 21 cents. Wait, I think they're upside down. Yep. Really, scumbag? Every time I take my hand off the receipt, it goes flying. And the fan's up there. Chillers. Killers. Bags just suck. At least those sturdy bags, they hold your stuff. Oh, and they were $4.18. Everything's $98. And instead of selling these for $3.98, Walmart wanted an extra 20 cents, so they charge $4.18 for them. It's pathetic. All right, I got a ton of stuff. This was okay. I might as well do this one first. These were $19.98 a piece. Okay. 2021 Premier Draft. It's by a company called Sage. I never heard of it. Contenders Football. They had Contenders Football and Contenders Basketball. And I got the Absolute Baseball and the Absolute Baseball and the Stadium Club Baseball first. Went back later to get some of the Contenders Basketball, of course. All gone. Stadium Club. Really? God. For those of you, the few people that watch my videos, why you don't go to New York, I don't know. I went to the last couple days and I've just cleaned house. Well, the one Walmart that I went to didn't have any cards up in New York, and the guy's like, yeah, well, they're right there. I'm like, they're right where? I'm like, where all those empty boxes are? And he's like, yeah. And I'm like, why don't you guys limit your people to like 1 per sport or 2 per UPC or, 1, 2, 3 per person, whatever. So they'll still sell, but everyone gets a chance instead of just letting pigs come in here and take everything. He's like, oh, that's a good idea. Like, really? So I got all this stuff cleared out, 25 cents for like 15. Is it 15 napkins? No, 16 napkins. 25 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents. These were $1. What are these? I don't even know what they are. Oh, invitations for kids' parties. $1. What are they? And oh, no, wait, these were half price. So 66 cents for these things. What is that, Paw Patrol? Yeah, Paw Patrol. Nickelodeon. Another one for 66.5 cents. 60 cents for all this stuff. I said, screw it. I'm going to go. They didn't have cards. I wasn't going to have a wasted trip going out there. So I went to their clearance. Oh, my God. They had end cap clearances. 1, 2, 3, 4. I went to one and I said, I said, ma'am, is this an end cap or is this the whole row? She says, oh, no, this is an end cap, like that one and that one and that one. I was like, holy shit. So I was like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then there was a whole row, both sides, and 2 end caps. I did that, and then I went over. And then this Jewish lady, her kids were running around. She had no control. Oh, this one is a little bit more. This one is emoji tablecloth napkins, 73.5 cents for these ones, for a tablecloth. So this Jewish chick, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a foil balloon, 90 cents. This one is 69.5 cents. This is I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's a decoration kit. And so is this, I think, too. LOL surprise. They're those little doll things that all the kids love, those LOL things. But anyway, so this lady's kids are running around, they're acting like jackasses. And usually Jewish kids, like, because I've coached Jewish kids basketball and stuff, and they're very well behaved, they're very courteous, kind, they're nice people. And not that the kids weren't nice, but they were running around the store there, screaming, yelling, acting like idiots. And I'm like trying to get to this clearance aisle. So this lady's like, she grabs the one kid. She's being vicious with the kid, actually, to be honest with you. But I mean, you don't know the situation because that kid seemed like he was out of control. She grabbed the one kid, threw him in the shopping cart, and grabbed the other one and said, "Stay here." And I'm walking by, and I nodded. I said, "How you doing?" And she's like, gives me this dirty look. And I'm like, I want it so bad. It could have been the moment. It could have been her kids were acting up. She was embarrassed maybe. So I didn't say anything. I just walked by her and ignored her. But I was fucking fired up. I was so pissed. I want to say, hey, bitch, you're the asshole that can't control your kids. Don't take it out on me. I said hello. So she didn't even like nod her head or say hi. She didn't even put her head down in shame because she had no control over her kids, nothing. And I was like, man, what a bitch. I was like, I feel bad for her husband. And then I go to that clearance cap, and I don't think there was anything there. And I went to another one and another one. And then I circled back, and I was like, I knew there was one, but there was like 6 or 7. I don't know. It was all these Hasidic Jew people. Like, they were all blocking the one like aisle. And it was funny because some old white chick with glasses and dark hair, she comes in, she's like, God damn it, what the fuck are they blocking the goddamn aisle for? I was laughing. So I just went around and I came back this way. Holy shit, they had all these like throw rugs for $1.25. They had washcloths. They had all this really nice stuff. I left stuff on there. I should have taken everything, but I took like, I don't know, a couple of those throw rugs, and I took like 2 of the packs of washcloths. I left like 6 or 7 washcloths, but they had so much good stuff. I should have taken it, but I didn't want to be a pig. And that Jewish woman came over, and she was standing right next to me when I'm looking at the clearance, and I just looked at her, and she stared right through me again. I didn't say hi or nod my head this time. I just ignored her. But I was thinking, what a bitch. Like, do your friends know what an ignorant bitch you are? I didn't say anything though. Every other Jewish person that I seen there that I said hi to, this one kid, he had a beanie on, and he was shopping, and I said, hey, did you get everything? Like, just making conversation. What a nice kid he was. And anytime I've talked to any of them, they're so nice. And that one lady, being a miserable bitch that she was, she ruins the names of all the rest of them. It's sad. All right. Let's do this one next. Oh, this was a good one. I went up. They had, this was the last one they had, and I was allowed to get 3, so I grabbed 2 chillers. So there was my 3. But then, I got these peanut butter, peanut, white chocolate, dark chocolate, and regular chocolate peanut M&Ms, along with a pack of 1,000 sleeves for 50 cents. Went back later on, driving back through, and I got 2 more chillers. I don't know